Once upon, in a small village, there lived a shepherd boy named Peter. He lived with his Uncle Jim and his Aunt Angie. Every night, they sat together by the fireplace to tell stories about wolves.
And that was the end of the story.
And what's happiness to wolf?
He was never seen again.
Oh, Uncle, are you afraid of wolf?
No, but they can't be allowed to know.
What's wolf's happiness if they came near our town?
Well, they could hunt us, especially our sheep.
What about you, Aunt Angie? Are you afraid of wolf?
Yes, I am Peter. Everybody in town is afraid of the wolf.
Oh, I see.
Oh, it's late, Peter. Tomorrow morning you must take care of the sheep.
See you tomorrow.
Good idea.
Peter went to bed, and next day, while he was sitting in the hillside, he thought,
I am bored. I don't like to be here just taking care of the sheep. I should be in the lake swimming.
Then he thought of a way to have fun.
Yes, it's
And he started shouting.
the wolf! The wolf! The wolf is coming!
Some people come to watch what's happening. They bought picks and shovel and everything else they could find to get rid of the wolf.
What's wrong? I saw the wolf over there. He is looking at us right now. Where? He is beside your team. I can't see anything.
Are you sure, Peter, that you saw the wolves?
Yes, I am. He is moving. Look! Let's get him!
As the villager approached the tree where the wolf was supposed to be, Peter started laughing.
It wasn't true. It was a lie.
Then the villager came back to where Peter was.
I knew it. Why did you lie to us, Peter? You know, it is funny. Yes, it is. Let's go. We have what to do. I told your uncle about this. You are scared, wolf. You are scared, wolf.
When the villager left, Peter kept laughing.
At least I had a good time today.
but what Peter didn't know is that the wolf was indeed hidden behind the trees, just watching him when he went back home that afternoon. His uncle and aunt said,
They told me what you did today.
I feel ashamed of you, Peter.
But I was born. You know, I don't like to eat. I like to take care of sheep.
That is not the bad lesson to lie.
I am sorry. We will not do this again.
We hope so. Go to bed now, and in the morning we will see you.
Good night.
Good night.
Next day, after having his usual breakfast, Peter went to the hillside once again. While he was taking care of the sheep, he saw the real wolf approaching and he started shouting.
The wolf! The wolf! The wolf is coming! Oh. Sure, you are trying to fool us again.
Give him a pie of bread.
No, I am telling you the truth. Help! Help! The wolf is hunting the child. He must be trying. Give him some water. He doesn't harm. The wolf is here.
Leave us alone, Peter. We have work to do.
Oh no! The wolf is on the sheep.
Sure.
Is it the truth? The wolf is gone and the sheep too.
Then one of the villagers went to where Peter was.
a lie. People will not trust liars, even if they say the truth. I will never lie again. I promise. Thank you for your attention.